Yesterday I spent hours trying to fix the mistake that the contractor made. I worked until it was almost dark, so I was unable to take any pictures of it. I didn't even get a chance to clean up. So let's go down and we'll take a look and see how it looks. There were two sections that needed to be repaired. This was the hardest of the two. I took out quite a few of the blocks, but I couldn't get all the way down to the bottom, so I had to kind of work with what I had. And this is the results. The best I could do. At least no dirt will escape through the cracks that he had. The other section that I repaired was here. He had the wall far too high, so I lowered it and made it even with the ground. I'm not 100% thrilled with the way it actually turned out, but it's going to have to do considering. I just did not want to tear out the entire row. That was kind of ridiculous. So I let it go at that.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.